welcome back to the unboxing channel. We have a hoot and a half here. This is the Ace Pro 2 from Insta360, the Arctic White limited edition flash print bundle. So on this channel here, we just kind of unbox it, show you the experience of it. This looks like a fun little unboxing. Sometimes the might go out of focus depending on how shiny the box is. We also have a 2-in-1 flash and fill light that goes with that as well. So we'll have a look at that. And a 512 gigabyte V30 micro SD card. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you like unboxing videos, well, hit that subscribe button. Not really sure I'm trying to grow this channel. It's just more, I'm gonna unbox these things anyways for my other main channel. Wow, that is really out of focus. Hello. It doesn't like that shininess to it. It kind of bounces off the camera. I'm using a ZV-1 from Sony as my overhead camera, in case you're wondering. Usually does a good job, but sometimes it struggles over. Look at that. Here we go. Wow, it does not like this shininess to it, so we're gonna try to do it right here. My goodness. Please tear here. So once we get this open, it shouldn't be as bad. Wow, that was tough. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be a bunch of unboxings. So we have the Ace Pro 2. I think I even have an unboxing video of that one already on this channel. The Xplorer Grip. This is the Arctic version. The screen hood. I'm pretty sure I have some unboxings of this stuff. I thought it was all gonna be ready to roll. Oh, that's cool. Little classic leather case. Kind of retro fit. Give it like the retro thing for the Go 3S. I love that device. And then you have pocket printer. Cool, cool, cool. Which one should we do first? So I guess let's get rid of the plastic, because that's quite a man. Nails are not doing the job today. Speechless. Ace Pro 2 definitely punching above its weight. It's been out for a while, and they have some competition out there, but it's still rocking. Been doing some testing with the GoPro and Action 6 and this one right here, and it's still doing great. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this one first, shall we? Yep. Give you that experience here. This is it right there. Beautiful. Looks lovely. Flip up screen. You have your lens here, microphone down there, and you have your action mounts down there. Also, we have charging cable and some instructions. You also have your magnetic mount and a different, so like it's a windscreen kind of cover. If you wanted something different, you can use this one if you didn't want it to stick out as much. So that is that. And it does give you the battery that pops in right there. Now it doesn't have internal storage, so you have to use that micro SD card. Goes in right there. And yeah, so that's the unboxing of that. I'm just going to kind of keep it tidy for now. Let's go on to the next thing here. Xplorer Grip Pro, the Pro Grip. I have looked at the black version of this one. This is actually a really cool. When you get all of this stuff and it works together, it's a great bundle for just going out snapping pictures if you're going to a party, or you got a graduation party coming up. It's always fun to like go and snap some photos and print them off with the printer, and it looks so much better than just like an action camera, because you have like this really, especially with this white, the white looks really good. So when you put your camera in here, it's great because you can still connect everything. You have you can put the micro SD card here as well, and it gives you a little switch here that you can connect in your camera, and you can switch to different profiles. Take photos here. You can even half down or zoom in right there, and then you get like a strap, which we'll see, and you can use the magnetic mount, which we also saw earlier. Gives you a cold shoot on the top, and just looks, man, this white looks really nice. I can't remember. I feel like this looks like it comes out. I don't know why it's that way, but maybe it doesn't. We'll throw the camera in there at the end so you can see what that's going to look like. They give you an extra button, which is kind of funny. I have an extra button with the other one, and I saw it, and I was like, what is that? Oh, yeah. Just in case, because this pops out. I don't know why they made it so that can come out. It feels like it's not a thing that needs to come out. And you have this white strap with this. This is a cool mechanism, if you've ever seen this. So this goes on your, right down here, and then you just easily pop it out like that. So this stays on your camera at all times, and then you just use this to pop it on for your wrist strap. Really, really, really good quality, by the way. I'm a fan of the quality of that. All right, this is definitely longer than I thought it was going to be. If you're still here, you're a trooper. You really like the unboxing stuff. Then you have your flip hood. How do you get that without tearing it open? Oh, too late. I'm just going to rip this whole thing apart. This is new, I think. Oh, this is just foam. Is that not part of it? Okay, what is that? What does that look like? That's something. But it's not. Oh, you get a screen protector here. Maybe this helps you put the screen protector on. And then your lens hood here, which just opens up. So, if you struggling seeing the screen, this goes on. And what you do is you get like this little magnetic bit right here. So you put the adhesive on the back of your camera, about on the screen, and then this is the magnetic part that connects onto it. So you don't have to have that on there all the time. Moving on. Let's go with this leather case. See how this one looks? Okay. Wow, that's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So with everything go in this, that would be excellent. You can get the printer in there and the camera, and I feel like you should. But that'd be a great way to keep it all stored and nice and tidy. That is a very nice leathery feel and smell. Like that looks really nice. Very cool, very retro. Go with a lot of outfits. Going to a country music festival, I feel like that'll go well with that. And then you have like your clips here that you can put on. All right, we'll have a look at how that's all going to go together here in a second, because we got a couple more things. Pocket printer. Let's get this thing out. I love these pocket printers. They're really good. And it's so simple to print off directly from your camera, like right away. Technically, I mean, you can print from your phone as well. So if you have a picture on your phone, you can use this pocket printer for that. Gosh, they made this tough. Oh, maybe there's a better way to open this. Yeah, right here. Doesn't really tell you anything. Look at that. Like, open it from here. Especially because it's so tight. There we go. So these are going to be some cords and some ink. It doesn't really use ink. It's like a kind of like a lasery kind of thing, which is good. A little mount, so you're going to mount your Arctic thing, and then yeah, cord for charging the printer. I love that they're kind of keeping everything white. So yeah, these are, it's not ink, but your photo paper here. which will pop in. And here is the printer. This is going to look really sleek when we put it all together. Also has a little carry bag for your printer right there. What a mess I've made. And yeah, we'll put it all together here in a second. Let me just do one more thing. Wow, this is a cool fill light. I love that. And there's one more thing in there, so don't just discard it. I almost did because it felt like it was out. What is this? Oh, some kind of an adhesive thing. I don't know yet. And this is going to go on top of this guy right here, probably. Surprised it's not white, but I think this is just a different accessory. It didn't come in that bundle with everything else. It does use this kind of a charger for it. So it looks like you're going to pop it on magnetically to charge up your light. Remove before use. Okay. Just goes in like a glove. The snap. Push here. There we go. Done. This goes on like that. Weird angle for it to feel normal, but here, how do we get this off? There's also another way to slide it on right here so that you can have it sitting like that. Or does that work? Yeah, like that. Okay. Which is weird way to block your screen. You have to have your screen out. And then also notice your light is in the way. So is there another way to put this thing on? We're finding all kinds of flaws in the logic of this system, but you obviously don't need to have it sitting on your printer at all times. I never really understood why they did that. This doesn't really make that much sense, to be honest. But we'll just do it this way for now. This goes on here. Somehow. There we go. Look at that setup right there. It's like an old school Polaroid. Yeah. Anyway, look at that. Longest unboxing video ever. Let's see if it fits everything. It surely does not. So we have to take this off. This goes in. Put it in like that. This has to come out. So the light comes off. I feel like there could have been better spots for that light on here, but it is what it is. It does not fit. Oh, I can kind of just throw it in there. Can we go sideways with this? Nope. There's definitely some extra little pouches here you could put stuff in, but for the most part, it fits some stuff. Maybe not that light, but that light's kind of an extra accessory to this whole pack, so I wouldn't think too much about that. There you go. That is the unboxing experience for the combo here. And thanks for watching. If you're still here, I mean, you're a trooper. Thanks for watching. Keep me company.